Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we're in the 2017 Open Range 349 RLS fifth wheel. Let's check it out. As we move into the living area, there's a fireplace right above the entertainment center. It's very windy today, so it's trying to push the door shut. Nice big windows, lots of natural lighting. There's a dinette and chairs. That is in the passenger side slide. On the back of the fifth wheel, we have a couch right underneath another large window with some storage cabinets above it. On the passenger side slide here, we do have more storage above the theater seating. A nice residential refrigerator. We have a microwave with the exhaust fan built in for the 3-burner stove and oven underneath. This center island actually, not only does it give you more counter space and storage, but it is a rolling island, so you can move it out of the way. And here is the sink with the residential spring faucet. And it is a double welled sink. And lots of beautiful cabinetry up above. If you walk in here by the front, then there is the thermostat. And the control panel is in this cabinet by the stairs. Right next to that is the bathroom. A nice sink with some storage underneath. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Some more storage. And a very large shower with a skylight above. There's a foot flush toilet next to the shower. And you can get to the bedroom through that doorway there, and there's a sliding door to separate. You can go this way as well through the hallway. Nice sized bed in the bedroom slide. Very large mirrored closet. And in this side of the closet, there are hookups for a washer and dryer. On this wall, there is the TV for the bedroom. Right above, some more storage. Let's go check out the outside. Here's the outside of the Open Range fifth wheel. We have an electric awning up on top, some outside lights, and some outside speakers. Pass-through storage, quadruple folding stairs, and a folding assist handle. This does have keyless entry. It's the kitchen slide. It has a roof ladder, and it is also prepped for a rear view camera. On this side, we can see the living room slide. Here's the other door that passed through storage. The bedroom slide. That makes 3 total slides on this unit. If you would like to see this or any of our other fifth wheels, we are on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway. One of our salesmen would be more than happy to help you. All of our inventory is also available to view online at leachrv.com.